Day 2.
Going out for breakfast. It's pretty early. I'm trying to get into the rhythm of waking up early again. It's been a while. Plus we want to get down there early while it's not too busy. Get a few photos in.
Here's the lift. Is the bed comfy?
Super comfy. It was so nice. It was a real struggle getting up this morning. I think like didn't taste my alarm went off like eight times. We snoozed like 8 times. Alright, good morning guys. So we come back down to the courtyard and our breakfast has arrived. Check this place out, it's stunning. It's like a giant sofa swing and you can actually have food here. So we went for eggs benedicts and pancakes and fruits. Couldn't think of a better place to have breakfast. Gonna enjoy this.
Actually moves. Would you like some coffee? How's your pancakes?
Super good. It's got like fruit and sort of like mango.
You're going backwards.
Kind of scary.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Alright guys, we are now in a tuk-tuk with Mr. Lid and he's taking us up to our activities for the day. So this is really different to what we usually do, but we thought, you know, why not try something out that's new, see what it's like. You'll see when we get there.
Thank you.
I would like to introduce this village. So this village is called Street Village. And also in this village have 300 families that moved from another province to live here. And also the people in this village, they are farmers. So you know what food that you will cook today?
No.
So on the right side street, everyone.
Guys, so we've actually just started our cooking lesson for today. So we went to see the family to give them some rice. So this lesson actually helps support some of the local families here to provide the ingredients. Just going, let's start cooking.
So you go to watch your hand.
Where are we?
Start our Cambodian cooking lesson. Sorry for this. I haven't cooked in years.
So we're here to learn.
Ingredient first. No ingredient for you to make a paste. So we have
Turmeric.
turmeric. This is turmeric. So everyone, this one we call kalengkal. Kalengkal. Okay, kalengkal look like the family of ginger, but this one is different smell.
Ooh, lemongrass?
Coffee lamb
No.
leaf.
Oh, limey.
Coffee lamb leaf. And this one is the coffee lamb fruit.
Mm.
Then for the fruit, we use it to make the paste for curry. And sugar.
Mixing it together now.
Okay. Salt and sugar.
That's what we had yesterday, that banana.
Oh, is it banana sticky rice?
I think so.
Okay, everyone. So now we are going to make the dessert that we call sticky banana fried with sugar palm. Or in Khmer we call cake chang. Cake is mean banana, chang is mean fried. Okay, everyone. So now you can peel the skin of the banana. And also we have the palm sugar for you. So leaf or long leaf. And then we
Wow. Looks fancy.
thank you.
Thank you.
Put this in my bag. Yep. We have a four. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Let's go from Leicester.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, you know what? Khmer Cuisine, yeah. Khmer Cuisine, which is Cambodian food. Really good. I actually like it better, and sorry Thai people, but I think I like it better than Thai food.
Oh.
For me, it's got like more of that kind of like sweet and salty flavors. I think Thai is more spicy.
Yeah.
So it was more like to my taste. I think like a lot of Hong Kong people, because Hong Kong food is quite sweet and salty as well. I think a lot of Hong Kong people will really like it too. Yeah, a lot of fun. I really recommend coming, joining this club. And you go into this very local community, and also this helps out the local community. So when you pay for this course, the class, some of the money gets donated to the local villages so that they can keep the Khmer cuisine living. Because a lot of it was lost in the tragedies of Cambodian history.
So cute.
Like super friendly. I know like Thailand is known to be like the land of smiles for people. Cambodia is giving them a run for their money. Like everyone is super nice there. Yeah, it was just start to watch it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. Hey, what's up guys? So we're back at the courtyard, just about to order some food. There's this cultural show on tonight, so we can enjoy our food, have a beer, whilst we enjoy the music and dance. So it should be really cool. So what are you eating?
This is mango salad. It's actually the same as what we made earlier today.
Oh.
It's, you know, the shredded mango. Oh, this is the main dish.
we just finished our meal. The show is finished now as well. So before we go to bed, we've actually booked ourselves in for the spa. This should be really good. We heard a lot of good things about Cambodian massages, so see how it goes. I haven't had a massage in years. I mean, the last time was Shenzhen, China. That was so long ago. That was super cheap and it was okay. I'm looking forward to seeing what this is going to be like. Nice way to relax, especially as we're carrying camera gear.
Thank you. So we just arrived at the spa place just in time. Okay, there we go. We're just waiting for some water on our feet. This should be good.
Just finished up our massages
Look at my hair, sorry. Bad head.
that was so good. I'm definitely not a massage person usually, but damn, I definitely needed that. I had so many kinks in my shoulders. Probably from we always carry huge backpacks with all our camera gear, so it's like super heavy. And actually we just spent a year living in Japan out of a backpack, so that's probably where all these like kinks and like why our shoulders were so tight. But damn, it feels so good now. Highly recommend it, highly recommend it. Even for people that usually do massages, it's definitely worth doing. I feel like I'm ready to tackle the rest of our trip now.
People usually have it at the end of the trip after like
Oh,
all the walking from Vancouver.
Now we're ready. Now we're ready for the rest of the trip. Right, I think I'm gonna close this one out here. See you guys tomorrow.